find the cat, I suppose. Probably outside. Is there a cat in here? No. There's a cat out there? Maybe. I'm gonna go find a cat. You can. I guess you can wait here. I'm gonna go look for the cat. You can go with me, I guess, if you want to. Let's go see. Well, I guess we can check that. Not in there.
Where'd she go?
I don't know.
Everywhere?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everywhere and anywhere. Okay. So in my backyard. There's a cat. I guess not. I don't think we're gonna find her. She'll be back later.
The name is Ron Rhodes, RHODES.
Don't fall. Found her, kind of. I've got this one.
Hi, kitty.
There we go.
Hi, sweetie.
Okay.
Please don't. Okay. Hi. What's that? Tell me about you.
There we go, let's show it. Okay, she's trapped. That was fun.